The landscape level conservation really brings me to the strategic partner in this effort, and that is TCF. The Conservation Fund, we approached them because of their knowledge and expertise in green infrastructure and the landscape, and basically how they could help us knit all of this together. This is not something new to you, but you see the values on this slide, and folks like Larry and Chris Holan and Will Allen have been just wonderful not only to work with, but so knowledgeable. And I was visiting a few weeks ago with the Wind Power Association folks and talking to them about these kind of values. And one of the things that I will share with you TCF doesn't often say is their ability to help collaborate and to get the right people in the room so the right conversations can take place. It's been critical for us with the 14 states involved. The green infrastructure approach and TCF's guidance has helped us achieve the most meaningful landscape plan that I think is probably out there as far as any pipeline. There isn't another pipeline that has this kind of plan. Let me go back one. There we go. As far as our reporting and monitoring, after we receive the permit, we will implement the HCP, and we hope to use, the intent anyway, is to use a system. It's called IPAC. It basically will be a system that NiSource folks can go into, be able to enter the project, look at the project, which will have all the data associated with our best management practices and the species. Draw a line on a map. Those drop downs will occur and tell them. It will help them in their bidding process early up front. We've never been able to do that. It's always later in the process on the prescriptive regulatory side where we actually can make the analysis to know how to bid these projects out, what it will take to get the project done. We know a lot more about that up front now and early on. Then we'll be able to enter the results of the project and the monitoring results and those kind of things. We have another system in place until this one is up and running that we'll be using. Lastly, one of the extremely critical components over the last 5 years has been our outreach. We have been in constant communication with various entities outside the company, both local, state, federal, NGOs on the Hill. Our company is very serious about our outreach. And without it, we just really wouldn't be able to get this done. We wanted to reach out early and bring interested stakeholders to the table. TCF, again, help us do that. We have continued to meet with interested agencies and groups and other stakeholders as we've worked through this process. Now, we're really excited about this project. This is going to be groundbreaking. Where we are with it, we hope to, the HCP is basically done. We're finishing the implementing agreement with the service now, and the service is working on the draft environmental impact. Those documents will be ready for the Federal Register, we hope, in March, maybe by the end of March to early April, and the open public review process will begin. Hopefully we'll have a permit by summer to late summer and be able to implement either in the fall or by 2012. And we believe that this will could be a template for linear corridor projects of all types as we move forward.